The encyclopedia meaning of red is any number of similar colors evoked by the longest wavelength of light, which is discernible by human eyes in the wavelength length of roughly 630 to 740 neurometers. Any light longer than this wavelength is infrared, which is below red and cannot be seen by the naked eyes. Now here is the staunching similarity. What is Via Media? What are its goals, its philosophy? What does it mean to its client and to its own people? All these things cannot be seen by the naked eyes. You actually need to go deep into its philosophical and ethical upbringing to understand the attributes of Via Media.
The word red comes from Old English. In Sanskrit, the word Rudira means red or blood. In the English language, the word red is associated with the color of blood, certain flowers like roses, and ripe fruits like apples or cherries. Fire is also strongly connected, as is the sun and the sky at the sunset. Healthy light-skinned people are sometimes said to have a ruddy complexion as opposed to appearing pale. After the rise of socialism in the mid-19th century, red was used to describe revolutionary movements.
The most emotionally intense color, red, stimulates a faster heartbeat and breathing. It is also the color of love. Red clothing gets noticed and makes the wearer appear heavier. Since it is an extreme color, red clothing might not help people in negotiations or confrontation. Probably that is why we at Via Media, we do not believe in intense negotiation, and with the effect of color red, we also have reduced instances of confrontation with defaulting clients or thankless fellows whom we come across seldom. The two Via mediums would find striking similarities between red color and Via Media philosophy, culture and epidemiology, and the red petals it showers on Via Median spirit.
As far as meaning and symbolism of color red is concerned, I would say red has more personal association than any other color. If you recognize it as a stimulant, red is inherently exciting, and the amount of red is directly related to the level of energy perceived.
Red draws attention, and a keen use of red as an accent can immediately focus attention on a particular element.
The color red symbolizes the increase in energy. It increases our enthusiasm and stimulates more energy to create new strategies and innovate. It increases action and confidence amongst us, and at the same time creates a sense of protection against fear and anxiety.
Red is the color of the base or the root chakra. This root chakra is located at the base of our spine, which means to be connected or to the universal energies or be grounded. And this is what we aspire to be in Via Media, to be grounded and to be connected to the universal energies.
Black is the color of power and authority. Here, black and red makes a perfect combination at Via Media. Red stands for love, passion and striking abilities, as a striking color which stands out instantly. Black, when comes along, completes Via Media philosophy circle with power of health communication, which Via Media brings across the table with authority.